Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 63 AMG. This one's an Obsidian black metallic. Underneath there's a 5.5 V8 bi-turbo pushing out 550 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 21-inch AMG cross-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. V8 bi-turbo badging on the side. Black exclusive Napa leather interior with a Designo black Dynamica headliner, panorama sunroof, carbon fiber trim, carbon fiber engine cover. This one does have a 3-zone automatic climate control where you can control the climate in the rear. Also has rear heated seats. In back we've got a trailer hitch, AMG GL63 badging, power liftgate, set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one comes with the Premium 3 package, which comes with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, speed limit assist, distant pilot, Distronics steering pilot, active brake assist with cross traffic function, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, AMG illuminated door sill. Hopping in, we've got a suede and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 63 has 26,468 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 63 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.